Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how basically you can insert the data present inside a CSV file directly inside your MySQL data table. You will be you will have basically a form out there. You can upload your CSV file and click on import, and then it will extract all the data which is present inside your CSV file. And you can see we have this table out there, users, which is currently empty. And the structure of the table is that we have the ID, which is the primary key of the table. We have the name column, age column, country column. And let me show you the CSV file that we will be inserting the data. You can see this is comma separated value is there. 4 rows are there. You can see Gautam 45 India. So this is the name, age, country. So comma is separated between the values. So this is CSV file. And now if I upload this file, guys, so right here, if I say choose file, and basically let me go to my folder where this file is stored. So exam htdocs and then html. So this is the file.csv. Click on import. You will see import done. And now if I refresh this table, you will see 4 records have been successfully added. This is the first record having the name Gautam. You will see all these 4 records have been successfully copied here like this. You can see that whatever is there. So we will try to replicate this application. I have given all the source code on my blog post. The link is given in the description of this video. All the step-by-step instruction is given, so you can copy paste all the source code. So now let's get started. So just make simple index.php file, guys, and for this, guys, I have given the source code for creating the table here. Just first of all, go to copy this code, this MySQL code. You can also create table by clicking on this new option, which will like this in the graphical user interface. But I will just say that you write SQL code. So first of all, we will drop the table, existing table of users, and click on go. So our table is deleted. So now once again go to the SQL and simply paste the SQL code. So here we are creating this table users, and ID is the primary key. You will see that. And then we have name, age, country. And now if I simply say that if I click go, our table is created. You will see that inside this table we will be inserting the records. So now we just need to write the PHP code, guys, for making this happen. So first of all, in the next step, now we will be importing the simple. Let me copy this code here. So basically this is just a static HTML code, guys. Inside this you will see basically we have this uh, simply form here, which is the method is post here, and basically encoding type is multi-part form data. And here we have the option to a simple input field where we allow the user to select a CSV file here, input type file, and we have given the name attribute to this. This is very much mandatory. You need to give this name attribute. And then we have a submit button. Basically we are using some bootstrap classes. So you will see now if I execute this application, you will see a simple form here on the screen. You will see that now we can select your CSV files here like this and click on this import button. So if you click it, nothing happens because we haven't written the PHP code. So right here at the very top, you need to write your PHP code here, guys. So just put PHP. So the very first thing we will do, guys, inside this, we will first of all check if the submit button is clicked by the user or not. So here you will first of all make the connection. First of all, connect it. MySQL I connect. So we will connection localhost, and then the username is root, password is default, and this is the database name XLDB. After this, guys, we just need to say inside this if condition, if is set, and then here we will say $post the name variable of the button submit. So you can see inside our button we have given this name attribute submit. So we are simply checking if the user has clicked the submit button. If it clicks, then we need to simply get the data here, which we will simply get it by the name attribute that you have provided. So here, guys, again we are checking that if it contains some data. So again you will see inside CSV we have given this name attribute file. So we are using this name attribute right here. So after this, guys, If the file is there, we will extract basically the information about using the explode method inside PHP. And here basically we will say split the string by the dot symbol. And here this will contain the name of the file, which is $_files, and inside file, and there is a variable called as name. So this will get you the name of the file. After getting the file name, we will simply again have a if condition. So we will simply say if file name 1. We will check the extension here, guys. Basically we are checking the CSV file here. If it is equal to CSV, then only we will do the process. And inside this now we will have the handle, and we will open this file by using fopen. So this opens the file inside PHP, and we will pass our file here, which is the actual file. We will pass the name, sorry, temporary location. So temporary location, guys, inside PHP we can access this location by tmp_name. This is our temporary location. We will open this inside read mode. So we will pass here r here, put a semicolon. So now we have got the reference inside our handle variable. We will now use a while loop. Simply we will read the data present inside this CSV file line row by row. So here we will use this method here, which is called as, we will use a while loop here, and inside this we will have the data variable, and this is equal to, we will use a method fgetCSV. This is a method we will use to get the data present inside our CSV. We will pass the handle, and this is basically a while loop, and we will simply get the first item by getting, or we can call this as name. So we can simply say we can directly just store this data 1 like this, and then we will get the age inside data 2, and then we will get the country, so data 3. That's it. So after this, guys, we will insert this information. So now to insert data, we have the insert query we need to write here. So query, so insert into the table name, which is users, and here you will give your column name, which is name, age, country, and then followed by the values we need to assign. So values are nothing. Inside single quotes you will replace these values, which is name, then again inside single quotes we will put age, and then inside single quotes you will put country. Put a semicolon. This is your insert statement, and then we will execute this statement MySQL query, and basically we will say connect, pass the connection object and the query. That's it. So this will execute the query using PHP, and now after this is done, now we will simply close the connection, call fclose. We will close the handle connection, and we will simply print out a message on the screen that import done. Just write a simple statement on the screen, that's all. So this is your PHP script, guys. I have given this script in the description of this video. So now if I load this, click on this option, and first of all let me delete this data, existing data. So you can see nothing is present right here. If I click import, you will see undefined offset, import done. It is saying import done. Let me refresh it. Oh, I think I didn't follow the approach that was given. So yeah, let me delete this. So click on delete. So you can just copy the correct code, guys. So inside the blog post I have given the correct code here. So inside this PHP script, basically you just need to copy this code right here. Copy this, and inside your while loop here you just need to paste it right here. Yeah, from here. So just you need to use this MySQL real accept string method here like this. This is the thing you need to do. That's all. If you just paste it here, now again if you execute this, click import your file, click on import, you will see now if I refresh it, you will see that this data is inserted here. You will see Gautam, John, David, Morrison, India, USA, England, Mexico. You will see that this is the same data that we define here. You can change these names. Let's suppose I change it to something else, just randomly picking this. So once again, if you upload this once again, import done. If I refresh, you will see that this data is inserted like this. So with the help of this, you can guys import millions of records which is present inside your CSV file directly into the MySQL table using this PHP script. Thank you very much. You can go to the description to download all the source code, and I will be seeing you in the next video.